All right, guys, Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about don't be lazy. If you guys want to make $10,000 a month and you want to be successful in life, the first thing you got to understand, ladies and gentlemen, is that you got to put forth the effort and the work ethic, okay? Too many people want to make money and they don't want to put forth the work ethic, okay? There's too many lazy people on the internet trying to get successful, trying to get rich in SMMA, but the truth of the matter is they're lazy. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to reach the top, meaning you want to hit $10,000 a month, what you're going to have to realize is it's going to take work, okay? What type of work? Do you have to get a hammer and a nail and build a house? Do you have to get out in the sun and sweat and all that type of stuff? No, okay? You don't have to do that, okay? But what you are going to have to do is going to have to pick that phone up, okay? And you're going to have to dial. You're going to have to get good at phone sales, okay? You got to work on yourself. You got to grow. And yes, it's hard, because here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Just because you have decided, okay, to start an SMMA agency, okay, life does not stop. In fact, life intensifies, okay? What am I talking about, okay? Most of you guys still have families. You still have jobs and bills and, you name it. The cares of life is what I like to call them, okay? When you're tired, okay, and you're like, Maurice, I don't feel like making cold calls today. That type of stuff. Or you got to work, 12 hours or 13-hour days, and you're like, you know what? I just don't feel like picking up the phone, okay? That type of stuff, okay? That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. So if you want to go to the next level, okay, in SMMA, build a successful business, get the niceties of life, your houses and cars and all that type of stuff, you got to work for it, okay? I want you guys to kind of go back a little bit, because if you go back into the 80s and the 90s and stuff like that, people worked. Now, everybody wants things handed to them on a platter. Everyone wants the easy way out. Ladies and gentlemen, there's no such thing as an easy way out. Okay, if you want the money, you have to put forth the blood, sweat, and tears and the effort that's required. Okay, now it takes a lot to prime the pump, folks. Okay, when I was working that dead-end job at a warehouse and I decided to switch and become successful in SMMA, it was tough. Let me say that again. It was tough. And a lot of people, okay, when they're faced with adversity, when they're faced with hurdles, because we all go through hurdles, okay? Let me give you an example. You pick up the phone, you call, and nobody's on the end of the other line, okay? Or you talk to a business owner and they say they're going to watch your information, but they never do, okay? And you get disappointment. You get disappointed and you want to quit. That's another thing. Too many of you guys want to quit because it don't go the way you think it should go. It's not going to go the way you think it's going to go. It didn't go the way I thought it was going to go, but it worked out in the end. I kept going. What do I mean? I thought it was going to be, I talked to, 20 people and boom, I got my clients. It didn't work that way. I had to buy courses. I had to read books. I had to go to training. I had to work on myself. I had to make 500 to 1,000 cold calls so that I can get good and comfortable with talking to business owners, okay? That's something you guys must master, is that knowing how to communicate to the business owner. The business owner does not care about Google ads. They don't care about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, okay? Social media posts. They don't care about that. What they care about is clients, customers, and moolah. Okay, that's money. That's what they care about, gang. And until you know how to effectively communicate that, you won't have clients, okay? Now, here's the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen. Growth hurts. That's why 98% of the people on the internet avoid growth. What is growth? Buying a course. Most people don't want to buy a course, so most people will never make money. Most people don't want to get on the phone. Most people don't want to go to trainings and get a mentor and go through coaching and get in there and learn. We call it learn knowledge, okay? Meaning you have to do something. Okay, most of you guys should be doing a minimum of 1 to 2 hours a day for the next 90 days, okay? Most people don't know 90 days can absolutely change your life, okay? It can change your life, gang, but you have to put forth the time, energy, and effort to make it a reality. Now, here's the thing. How do you get rid of laziness, okay? Because we're all faced with laziness, okay? Meaning, okay, I had a lot of stuff to do today. All right, I had a lot of plans. It's the 4th of July weekend, okay, when I'm taping this training for you guys, okay? But here's the truth of the matter, okay? I didn't feel like doing it, okay? Sometimes I don't feel like doing what's necessary or the things that I know I should do, okay? But here's the thing. I have disciplined myself that when myself, okay, that lazy man, because we all have that lazy man, okay? There's a lazy Maurice and there's a successful Maurice. The successful Maurice always kicks the lazy Maurice to the side and said, nope, I'm creating a video. I'm getting my gang what they need to hear today. Because you guys need to hear this fire constantly because you got so much negativity, negative propaganda going on in your mind that you need positive stuff, okay, to motivate you guys to the next level, okay? So how do you get rid of that lazy man, okay? Because a lot of you guys, if I asked you today, why didn't you make cold calls? You say, well, Maurice, I was tired. I had to work a job. I had to spend time with my wife, my husband, my kids. I had to go to this event, that event. I didn't feel like it. You know, I ate a heavy meal and I fell asleep on the couch. I got to watch my favorite basketball, football, and the list goes on and on. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys know Uncle Maurice saying you can make excuses or you can make money, but you can't do both, okay? Excuses don't pay nobody's bills. You got to roll those sleeves up and you got to go to work. The number one way for me, okay, and how I overcame laziness, procrastination, anxieties, and all the stuff we're all faced with, fear. The biggest thing that stops you guys mixed with laziness, gang, is fear, okay? That holds most of you guys back from attempting to call. You guys just can't do it. And I said this, and I'm going to say it multiple times because you guys need to hear this over the next 7 to 8 years, okay, of your life. You got to hear this. You got to create habits, okay? You have to create what we call money-making habits, okay? The only way you're going to be able to defeat laziness is to defeat it with consistent positive activity daily, okay? You guys can't do this stuff when you feel like it, okay? It's got to be done when you don't feel like it. Success is found when you don't want to do it, okay? But you do it anyway, okay? Successful people do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. Okay, so it's all predicated. Why did I create this video? Because I always create videos. So when a lazy person comes up, we just, nope, talk to the hand, it's done, and I'm creating videos. Before you know it, I got my camera running. Okay, I don't even give it a thought. Same thing with cold calling. I'm sitting back, I need to make a couple cold calls. I want to pull in 3 new clients and put like 30 G's in my pocket for the year. I'm going to make cold calls. Boom, it's done. But see, with most of you guys, when it's time to do your activity, your money-making activity, okay, what is it going to be? Watching basketball or making cold calls? Watching basketball, because that's all you do is watch basketball, okay? You don't do what you should be doing, which is SMMA. Okay, what's it going to be? Buying a course to help me make $10,000 a month or going out shopping, buying clothes that's not going to make me nothing? I'm buying clothes and shopping. That course costs too much, but the shoes don't. And you wonder why you're not rich. See, successful people do the things that unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. Successful people have the things that unsuccessful people want. okay? Because they do the activities that unsuccessful people won't do. And unsuccessful people will not buy courses. Unsuccessful people will not invest in a coach and trainings and books and all the stuff that's required to get to the top. Everybody can accidentally get a client, okay? But those that want to make, $50K like Uncle Maurice, they say, you know what? I need to do a little bit more. I'm going to buy all these courses. I'm going to get the coach. I'm going to put forth the effort. I'm going to set the habits and create the habits. Now, here's something I want you guys to do as an exercise. Grab a pen and piece of paper, and I want you guys to write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, okay? And just write that across a piece of paper and do that 30 times. And then I want you guys to go throughout the day, okay? And keep track every day of how many times you make cold calls. And the more times you make cold calls, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to find out it gets easier, okay? Because that's what I want cold calling to become. If it becomes easy, making money becomes easy. Why is making money to me simple, but to you guys it's difficult and hard? Is because I have created habits. And the more you do something, gang, write this down, the easier it becomes. Let's do that one more time. The more you do something, the easier it becomes. And so I want your money-making activities to become easy, all right? Making cold calls to become easier. You guys got to do this religiously. And this, gang, is how you eliminate laziness, okay? I want you guys to watch this video 100 times because I want you to get in the groove, okay, of defeating laziness. Once you defeat laziness, you automatically defeat procrastination, fear, anxiety, all that stuff goes away. And if you guys are having a problem with this, and you're like, Maurice, I want you to hold me by the hand. I need your help. I really, truly want to make $10,000 a month. And I'm willing to put forth all of my money. I'm willing to put it on a credit card. I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Okay, click the link in the description, you guys, to sign up for a one-on-one coaching. Okay, as well as you can also get the course. But this will help you guys to get to the next level and to stop playing. Life, okay, ladies and gentlemen, is precious. You only get one life. Time, okay, is your greatest asset. All right. Some of you guys have put off for tomorrow, which you should be doing today. Because here's the truth of the matter, ladies and gentlemen. One day, your candle is going to be put out. So you need to seize the moment. Take advantage of what you got. The course is affordable. Take advantage of it before the price goes through the roof. Take advantage of this stuff before it's gone. All right? So, gang, that's it. Watch this video 100 times. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Click the link in the description. Grab the ICP course. If you guys need help, you guys already know what you need to do. Sign up for one-on-one coaching. I'll hold you by the hand, and I'll get you to the promised land of $10,000 a month. Uncle Maurice will see you on the next one. Bye for now.